In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt to create Notion templates. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves organizing their digital life, Notion is a great tool for managing tasks, projects, and ideas. And with the help of Chatgpt, you can enhance this experience by crafting personalized templates. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you want to do is open Chatgpt. This may seem obvious, but starting with the right tools is crucial for a smooth process. So fire up your browser and navigate to the Chatgpt platform. Once you're there, the next step is to create a new chat. This will give you a blank slate to work with and ensure that all your conversations and prompts about your Notion template are focused and organized. Next, it's time to decide what problem your Notion template solves. Think about what you need help organizing. Are you planning your study schedule? Trying to track your work projects? Or maybe you just want to manage your daily tasks more efficiently. Identifying the problem will guide the rest of the process. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Ask Chatgpt to help you by breaking it down logically. You want to structure the solution in a way that makes sense. For example, if you're working on a study planner, you might need sections for daily schedules, long-term assignments, and perhaps even a space for resources and notes. Chatgpt can provide a logical breakdown of these components, which will serve as the foundation for your template. With the breakdown in hand, the next step is to ask Chatgpt for layout suggestions. This is where you bring the structure to life. You'll want to know how best to organize these elements on your Notion page, keeping in mind ease of use and visual appeal. Chatgpt can offer insightful suggestions on the placement and grouping of these sections, whether you should use tables, lists, or calendars, and how to align it all so it makes intuitive sense. Finally, once your template looks good and serves the intended purpose efficiently, it's time to share it. Hit Share in Notion to make your template accessible to others or to keep it saved for personal use across your devices. Sharing can also be a great way to get feedback and maybe even inspire others with your organizational prowess. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can effectively use Chatgpt to create unique, functional Notion templates catered precisely to your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy organizing!